N0NWS repeater.
This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch until 10 Universal Coordinated Time. The full watch statement has not populated through the system yet, and as soon as that does come up, I will read the full statement. I'm assuming that will cover areas within Southwest Missouri. So when I get that statement with the exact counties and everything, I will be back with that full statement. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch 678 in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Monday for the following areas: Camden, Hickory, Marys, Miller, Pulaski, Phelps, Dent, Howell, Oregon, Shannon, Texas, Berry, Barton, Cedar, Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Jasper, Laclede, Lawrence, McDonald, Newton, Ozark, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright counties. Again, that is a tornado watch until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday morning. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stone and southern Berry counties until 1:30 a.m. At 12:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Garfield, or 7 miles east of Rogers, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Table Rock Lake, Roaring River State Park, Kimberling City, Shell Knob, Seligman, Galena, Washburn, Gateway, McCord Bend, Golden, Emerald Beach, Eagle Rock, Chena Lakes, Arrow Point, Coney Island, Blue Eye, Cape Fear, and Lampe. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for the Southwest Missouri area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Webster, northwestern Douglas. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me start all over. Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Webster, northwestern Douglas, Christian County, northwestern Taney, northern Stone, and northeastern Berry County until 1:30 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crane, or 12 miles southeast of Aurora, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof sidings and trees. Locations impacted include Nixa, Ozark, Table Rock Lake, Rogersville, Sparta, Crane, Reed Springs, Highlandville, Fordland, Branson West, Galena, McCord Bend, Hurley, Spokane, Oldfield, Elkhead, Chestnut Ridge, Ponce de Leon, Chadwick, and Linden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for Southwest Missouri. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0RJ, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Radar is indicating that there is a mesovortex near Billings heading towards Republic. People in that area would like to seek shelter now. There could be a possibility of, if not a tornado, at least extremely strong winds that could cause damage and could endanger life and property. So please, if you are in the Billings or Republic area, please seek shelter now. This is KD0RJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. KD0R Shea with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service has canceled Tornado Watch 678 for the following areas. In Missouri, this canceled 7 counties: Hickory, Barton, Cedar, Dade, Jasper, McDonald, and Newton. Tornado Watch 687 remains in effect until 5 a.m. early this morning for the following areas. In Missouri, this is Camden, Marys, Miller, Pulaski, Phelps, Dent, Howell, Oregon, Shannon, Texas, Mary, Christian, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Laclede, Lawrence, Ozark, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright counties. This is KD0R Shea with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0R Shea with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Webster, southwestern Christian, and southern Greene County until 1:30 a.m. At 12:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Battlefield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards is a tornado. This is radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The locations impacted include Springfield, Nixa, Ozark, Republic, Battlefield, Rogersville, Stratford, Clever, Fremont Hills, Fordland, Brookline, Turners, Northview, Boaz, and Galloway. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 69 and 72 and between mile markers 76 and 97. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is KD0R Shea with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Control, KD0TKG in Highlandville.
Go ahead, this is Net Control.
Then we got 61 mile an hour wind just passing through at the center of Highlandville. Copy?
I do copy. I do appreciate that. This is KD0R Shea, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0R Shea with the Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Webster, northwestern Douglas, and eastern Christian County until 1:30 a.m. At 1:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Highlandville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado. This is radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Stay away from windows. If you are in a vehicle, try to find shelter. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Nixa, Ozark, Sparta, Highlandville, Spokane, Christian Center, Oldfield, Linden, Elkhead, Bruner, Selmore, and Dogwood. Please take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Again, avoid windows. If you are outdoors, please seek shelter now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to hear or see the tornado. Move to protection now. This is KD0R Shea with the Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Control, KD0TKG Highlandville. Do we have a location or close on this storm inside of Highlandville? My radar is down. Over.
What I am seeing on radar, it appears to me that it's kind of east of Battlefield, probably between Battlefield and Fremont. I have seen that reports that it's kind of staying along the Greene Christian County line.
Copy that. Yeah, we had wind peak of 70 miles an hour here on the anemometer. So anyway, that's my report for now. Thank you.
No problem. I appreciate it. This is KD0RSJ. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for southwestern Webster, north central Christian, and southeastern Greene counties. At 1:05 a.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Battlefield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a damaging tornado. It is radar confirmed. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed or damaged. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 69 and 71 and 76 and 97. Repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, seek shelter now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes with widespread damage. Do not wait to hear or see them. Seek shelter now. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The confirmed tornado is being reported to be close to the Greene County, Christian County line. However, if you are in South Springfield, you need to take precautions and seek shelter and at least expect dangerous straight line wind damage and perhaps a brief tornado over the next 20 minutes. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
SWM copies. I'll be mobile shortly.
Okay, I do appreciate that. KD0RSJ. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for southern Caney and southeastern Stone counties until 1:45 a.m. At 1:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Bennett, or 9 miles south of Kimberling City, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards is a tornado. This is radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed or damaged. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Locations impacted include Branson, Bull Shoals Lake, Table Rock Lake, Lake Taneycomo, Table Rock Lake State Park, Hollister, Temple Rock, Kirbyville, Blue Eye, Coney Island, Lampe, Pro-Tem, Reuter, and Ridgedale. Please take cover now in a basement or interior room of the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Do avoid windows. If you are outside in a mobile home or in a vehicle, please seek shelter now. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Alpha Delta Zero, Uniform Delta, net control.
Go ahead.
I'm going to be mobile in the car. What was the last warning that just came out that involved Branson?
That was a, hold on, let me pull this back up. I'm sorry. Stand by.
I just need a location where I need to go to set up.
Yeah, that was southern Taney and southeastern Stone. So it looks like Branson, Table Rock Lake, Bull Shoals, Lake Taneycomo, and Hollister area are the locations impacted.
Break. Okay, do you know where the cell is located at this point, the part of the cell that's prompting it?
I believe at this moment it's kind of stretching between just a little bit south of Kimberling City to Blue Eye, extending up to kind of the Branson West and Woodreed Springs area, heading to the east.
Okay. I'm going to go out down West 76 and cut across up that way. If I need to, I can bounce over to 248. But need anything, I'll let you know if I get anything.
Okay, thank you very much for that, KD0RSJ. There are reports of circulation heading into Springfield. So please, if you are in the Springfield area, please seek shelter now in your pre-planned locations. This does not mean exactly that there is a tornado in Springfield, but it could possibly happen. There has been a confirmed by radar tornado along the Greene County, Christian County lines. So there have been histories of tornadoes confirmed in the area. Please stand by, more to follow. Tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for southwestern Webster, northwestern Douglas, and northeastern Christian counties. At 11:11 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ozark, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This was radar indicated rotation. Please do take cover now. Move to a basement on the interior room of the floor of the lowest floor. An interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Please avoid the windows. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
N0NWS Teresa, I'm right here in Grandin, Kansas. I've got about 45, 50 mile an hour wind, heavy rain at this time.
This is KD0RSJ Net Control. I didn't quite catch all of that. Could you please repeat that?
K9SWM, I'm here in Grandin, Kansas Expressway, experiencing heavy rain, about 45, 50 mile an hour winds at this time.
Okay, I do appreciate that. Thank you for that report. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for southwestern Webster, north central Christian, and southeastern Greene counties. At 1:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near southeast Springfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado, radar indicated rotation. Locations impacted include Springfield, Nixa, Ozark, Rogersville, Stratford, Fremont Hills, Fordland, Turners, Galloway, and Northview. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 80 and 97. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Bring forward to follow. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ozark, southwestern Douglas, Taney County, and southeastern Stone County until 2 a.m. At 1:16 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Indian Point or near Kimberling City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail are the hazards. This is radar indicated. Expect damage to roof siding and trees. For your protection, move to the interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for parts of southwest Missouri. This is KD0RSJ with the Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Webster, southern Dallas, northern Wright, southwestern Laclede, and eastern Greene County until 2 a.m. At 1:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stratford, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is radar indicated. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include eastern Springfield, Marshfield, Rogersville, Stratford, Seymour, Morgan, Fair Grove, Fordland, Conway, Hartville, Niangua, Duncan, Dickens, Phillipsburg, Twin Bridges, Competition, Turners, Elkland, Grove Spring, and Raider. This also includes 44 between mile markers 78 and 115 and near mile marker 120. For your protection, move to the interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for southwest Missouri. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Alpha Delta 0, Uniform Delta, Net Control.
This is Net Control. Go ahead.
We've got very heavy winds at Hollister, very heavy winds to Hollister, lots of rain, and branches just set off the siren.
Okay, do you have an approximate location and wind speed there in Hollister?
The location is 65 and by the School of the Ozarks right now. The winds are at least 50 miles an hour, at least 50 miles an hour.
Okay, thank you for that, and I will get that turned into the National Weather Service. This is KD0RSJ, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Yeah, and if you get a chance, take a look at the radar and see if you can give me an idea where this cell's at, the heart of the cell. Control AD0UD, you might also understand that sirens are now going off in Hollister and at the College of the Ozarks area.
I did go ahead and include that in my report, and in looking at this here, it looks like right now what I'm seeing on radar, I'm kind of zooming in here a little bit, it looks like maybe the front has kind of maybe passed Hollister. I'm not really seeing a pronounced couplet on velocity. I've got a kind of basically a line of green to the west and a line of red that probably just passed through the Hollister and Merriam Woods area. I'm seeing maybe a couple little notches kind of just a little bit east and north of Hollister and more south and slightly east of Hollister. But I'm not really seeing anything right around Hollister at this time. The closest I could see maybe to a couplet is kind of south of Hollister. I would say by radar estimation maybe like about 7 miles southeast of Hollister, closer to the state line.
Okay. We had wind gusts that have gone up to around 60 at this point. I do have some limbs down on the ground, nothing serious just right at the moment, but I do have heavy rain, no hail at the moment.
Yeah, I do appreciate that, and like I said, I did get your report turned in with the location and also with the fact that the sirens were going off.
Thank you, AD0UD.
Control KD0TKG, Patrick in Highlandville.
Do you have a report, Patrick?
Yes, I do. We have a tree down at the school that's uprooted, looks like about a foot and a half in diameter. We have another one that's snapped at the trunk, just about an eighth of a mile from the school, and a lot of limbs and debris, right where I give you the 70-mile-an-hour wind report. Over.
Okay, and that's the school in Highlandville. Is that the high school?
Is the elementary school, and then just north of the school on Highlandville Road, north of Kentling, a quarter of a mile, we have a tree that's snapped about 2 feet up from the trunk, and limbs and debris. That's all I can see for now. We're going to do evaluation, and we'll get right back with you. You copy that last transmission, net control?
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I have this correct, and I believe it looks like that there's already been a report made that was 2 miles north of the school on Highlandville Road, a 2-foot diameter tree snapped as well, correct?
Quarter of a mile north of the elementary school in Highlandville on Highlandville Road, the tree that is snapped, and the one that is uprooted is on the school property at the elementary in Highlandville.
Okay, Thank you. I believe they've already got that turned in, and I've got some more warnings and stuff to read, so please stand by. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for Webster, Western Wright, and northeastern Christian counties until 2 a.m. At 1:25 a.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Rogersville, or 12 miles northeast of Ozark, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. This is radar indicated rotation. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those that cannot seek shelter. Vehicles is considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely to happen, and complete destruction is possible. I repeat, this is a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado that is developing. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. And by more to follow. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northern Webster, northwestern Wright, southwestern Laclede, and east central Greene County until 2 a.m. At 1:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extremely straight-line winds were located near Stratford, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 85 and 109, and between mile markers 112 and 123. Please take cover now. Break more to follow. National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ozark, southwestern Douglas, Taney County, and southeastern Stone County until 2 a.m. At 1:16 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Indian Point or near Kimberling City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail was the hazards. This was radar indicated. Please expect damage to roof sidings and trees. Break more to follow. The tornado warning for north central Christian County is canceled. The tornadic storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area, therefore the warning has been canceled. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for southwestern Webster and southeastern Greene counties. At 11:15 a.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Springfield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 80 and 95. Repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, please seek the closest substantial shelter. Break more to follow. National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ozark, southwestern Douglas, Taney County, and southeastern Stone County until 2 a.m. At 1:16 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Indian Point or near Kimberling City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail was the hazards. This was radar indicated. Please expect damage to roof sidings and trees. Break more to follow. The tornado warning for north central Christian County is canceled. The tornadic storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area, therefore the warning has been canceled. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for southwestern Webster and southeastern Greene counties. At 11:15 a.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Springfield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 80 and 95. Repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, please seek the closest substantial shelter. Break more to follow. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Webster, southern Dallas, northern Wright, southwestern Laclede, and eastern Greene County until 2 a.m. At 1:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stratford, moving east at 55 miles per hour. 70 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail is the hazard. This is radar indicated. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 78 and 115 and near mile marker 20. Break more to follow. The tornado warning for southeastern Stone County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area, therefore the warning is canceled. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:45 a.m. for southeastern Taney County. At 1:29, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northeast of Omaha or 10 miles south of Forsyth, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This is radar indicated rotation. Please take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Please move to the closest substantial shelter now. Break, more to follow. And finally, a tornado warning for southeast Stone County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area, therefore it will be allowed to cancel. And I believe I already read this one, so that should be everything caught up at this moment. KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Net Control, this is KE0VWH.
Go ahead.
Just a report, I am located 2 miles north of 60 Highway, on a highway. That cell that was moving east through the Rogersville area has now approached us, and we're having some pretty good wind, torrential rain, and we just lost power.
Okay, so I just want to make sure that I had this correct. You are 2 miles north of 60 Highway on A Highway. The cell from Rogersville is moving into your area at this time, and you just lost power with torrential rainfall.
That is a correct copy. Read back, Net Control.
Okay, I will get this turned in for you. I do appreciate the report. KD0RSJ.
KE0VWH, we will be standing by and will update you as necessary.
Okay, I do appreciate it. KD0RSJ. I do have a question. The station that just gave me the report at 60 Highway and A Highway, I do apologize. What town is that close to?
We are directly north of Diggins.
Did you say Diggins?
That is correct.
RQB.
This is Net Control. Go ahead.
I don't know if I'm making it in. I'm on HD. This is KD0RQB. I'm just reporting that Rogersville at close to Bruner, we are out of power. That would be still technically Christian County.
Yeah, I do appreciate that. I just got that turned in so that they are aware Rogersville near Reuter is without power at this time.
Thank you very much, sir. KB0RQB clear, monitoring.
No problem. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stone County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area, therefore the warning has been canceled. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 a.m. for western Douglas and Taney counties. At 1:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Taneyville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazards were 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, nickel-sized hail. This is radar indicated. Expect damage to roof sidings and trees. This For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for Southwest Missouri. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Net Control K0VWH.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm located here on a highway that cell is now fully engulfed us. We have horizontal rain, wind gusts estimated 70 mile an hour plus, small hail, and I'm not sure, but I think we may be getting some roof damage.
Okay, I got that you're on a highway. Do you have an approximate cross road or something that could kind of narrow that down a little bit further? I got that the cell has fully engulfed you. You have small hail, and I believe I missed something there.
Yes, we are experiencing horizontal rain, wind gusts 70 plus mile per hour. It sounded like we may be getting some roof damage, and the nearest crossroad would be 1.5 miles south of Highway FF.
Okay, I just want to read this back. You're on a highway 1.5 miles south of Highway FF. The cell has fully engulfed your location. There's small hail, wind of 70 plus miles per hour, horizontal rain, and possible roof damage.
That is correct. Of course, the roof damage I won't know until later when we can go out and inspect it. But it sounded like something was going on up there just from being here in the house. The winds were just at least 70 plus.
Okay, I have that turned in for you, and I do appreciate the report. KD0RSJ, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
0UHF.
Go ahead.
0UHF, just a brief rainfall report. The last 15 minutes we've had 1 inch of rain and the air 65 and sunshine. Heavy winds at times, but it's just medium rain at the moment and strong winds.
Okay, and about what was the time frame of that rainfall?
Started about 20 minutes ago and ended 5 minutes ago.
Okay, I will get that turned in. I do appreciate that. This is KD0RSJ. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for Ozark County and eastern Taney County until 2:15 a.m. At 1:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 11 miles north of Diamond City or 15 miles east of Forsyth, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards are tornado. This is a radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bull Shoals Lake, Norfolk Lake, Gainesville, Theodosia, Pontiac, Wassola, Sundown, Brixley, Noble, Willholt, Brown Branch, Tecumseh, Udall, Hardinville, Protem, Thornfield, Reuter, Sycamore, Bradleyville, and Rockbridge. Please take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and take cover now. This is KD0RSJ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn.
Stations monitoring. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The tornado warning for northeastern Christian County has been canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for southwestern Missouri. Meanwhile, tornado warning remains in effect until 2 a.m. for northeastern Webster and northwestern Wright counties. At 1:47 a.m., a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage was located 9 miles north of Seymour or 10 miles southeast of Marshfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado. The source is radar-indicated rotation. Expect flying debris that will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marshfield, Duncan, Raider, Niangua, Grove Spring, and Odin. Take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Was there a station calling? This is KJ6TQ. Please try again. You were very noisy. Station, I'm very sorry. You're barely into the repeater. If possible, can you please try to raise your power and maybe reposition your radio? Try it one more time. KJ6TQ. Okay, station, still no copy on you. I'm going to go ahead and just read a quick update here. I want to let everybody know the severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dallas and eastern Greene counties is now canceled. The severe storm which prompted that warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. Meanwhile, severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 a.m. for eastern Webster, northern Wright, and southwestern Laclede counties. At 1:50 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles, that's 8 miles east of Niangua, or 11 miles east of Marshfield, moving east. At 50 miles per hour, expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source is radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 100 and 109, as well as mile markers 112 and 115, and near mile marker 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. The tornado warning for east central Greene County is now canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning for that area has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. Meanwhile, the tornado warning associated with this rotation remains in effect until 2 a.m. for northeastern Webster, northwestern Wright, and southwestern Laclede counties. At 1:52 a.m., a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage was located near Conway, or 11 miles northeast of Marshfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado. The source is radar-indicated rotation. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, and damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marshfield, Conway, Phillipsburg, Raider, Morgan, Niangua, and Twin Bridges. This covers Interstate 44 between mile markers 100 and 109, as well as between mile markers 112 and 123. Take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes, widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait till you see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Once again, tornado warning remains in effect now until 2 a.m. for northeastern Webster, northern northeastern Wright and southwestern Laclede counties. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stations monitoring, this is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The tornado warning for eastern Taney County is now canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted this warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning for eastern Taney County has been canceled. Meanwhile, the tornado warning associated with this rotation continues until 2:15 a.m. further eastward into Ozark County. At 1:56 a.m., a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage was located 10 miles north of Price Place, or 18 miles north of Bull Shoals, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado, sources radar indicated, and the impacts will be flying debris, dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bull Shoals Lake, Gainesville, Pontiac, Sundown, Noble, Tecumseh, Hardinville, Sycamore, Long Run, Zanoni, Norfolk Lake, Theodosia, Wasola, Brixey, Wilhoit, Udall, Thornfield, Rock Bridge, and Isabella. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Once again, tornado warning canceled for eastern Taney County, but it continues until 2:15 a.m. for Ozark County. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stations monitoring, this is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for north central Ozark, eastern Douglas, northwestern Howell, and south central Texas counties until 2:30 a.m. At 2:01 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 12 miles southeast of Ava, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado. Source is radar-indicated rotation. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Willow Springs, Van Zant, Drury, Brushy Knob, Wasola, Rock Bridge, and Gentryville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Once again, this is a new tornado warning now until 2:30 a.m. for north central Ozark, eastern Douglas, northwestern Howell, and south central Texas counties. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. I've just now brought the Texas County repeaters online via the digital All-Star link. Stations monitoring in Texas County on the linking repeater. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning until 2:30 a.m. for south central Texas County. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stand by. More follows. Additionally, the National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a new severe thunderstorm warning now for northeastern Douglas, all of Wright County, and western Texas County until 2:45 a.m. At 2:04 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Hartville to 7 miles east of Ava, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. The source is radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mountain Grove, Houston, Dawson, Hartville, Plato, Brushy Knob, Hazleton, Graff, Success, Solo, Kabul, Mansfield, Norwood, Huggins, Maines, Bucyrus, Grove Spring, Elk Creek, Roby, and Simmons. Meanwhile, tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for south central and southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Again, severe thunderstorm warning now till 2:45 a.m. for northeastern Douglas, Wright County, and western Texas County. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ.
6TQ, N0NWS.
N0NWS, this is KJ6TQ. Good morning, Marvin. How are things doing in Joplin?
Joplin. George, all right. Since they've cleared the area down here, I'm going to go ahead and unlink the Joplin repeater. So just in case I miss it, it starts making noise. It ought to be unlinked. That's all right with you.
Absolutely, probably a really good idea to do that. Better to be safe than sorry. I think you guys are completely out of the woods and should be high and dry for the rest of the evening. So no worries there. You guys get some rest, and thank you for all of your help this evening.
Oh, you guys are doing, yep. And having big stories come out of Joplin, thank goodness, and been listening. I'll probably listen on the Echo Link for a while. Anyhow, George, thanks a lot, and everybody have a good morning, and everybody stay safe. N0NWS, drop the link.
Code completed.
Okay, thanks again, Marvin. If you're able to listen to this on Echo Link, I appreciate all of your help on that side of the link. And I'll be clear with N0NWS. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn standing by. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Stations monitoring, we have an update again on the state of the tornado watch throughout our county warning area. There have been a new adjustment. Two more counties have been dropped from this watch, and those counties are Taney and Webster counties. Taney and Webster counties are no longer covered by the tornado watch. In Dallas County, the time frame on this watch has been pulled back a little bit. It was originally going to go 5 a.m. It is now expected to last only until 3 a.m. So Dallas County will only be under the watch until 3 a.m. Meanwhile, we have 14 counties still expected to be under the tornado watch until 5 a.m. this morning. Those 14 counties are in central Missouri, Camden, Marys, Miller, and Pulaski. East Central Missouri County includes Phelps County, and South Central Missouri, Dent, Howell, Oregon, Shannon, and Texas County. Southwest Missouri, Douglas, Laclede, Ozark, and Wright. So those 14 counties are still going to be under the gun with a tornado watch until 5 a.m. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stations monitoring, this is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for eastern Ozark, southeastern Douglas, and central Howell counties until 2:45 a.m. At 2:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Gainesville, or 24 miles southeast of Ava, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado, sources radar indicated rotation. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur, and tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include West Plains, Pomona, Wilhoit, Pottersville, Hardinville, Whitechurch, Dora, Gainesville, Brixie, Tecumseh, Caulfield, Siloam Springs, Sycamore, and Zanoni. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outside or in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building right now. Once again, new tornado warning for eastern Ozark, southeastern Douglas, and central Howell counties until 2:45 a.m. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ.
KC0AIP, National Weather.
KC0AIP, this is KJ6TQ, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Good morning, and how can I help you?
Oh, good morning, sir. I was just calling to get a weather report for Pulaski and Laclede and Camden County.
Okay, very good. Let me check. You are under a tornado watch in those locations until 5 a.m. And then let me verify the current existence of. Hang on 1 second, please. Actually, at this time, it does look like the tornado warnings are south of your location right now. I was checking the boundaries of one of these particular severe thunderstorm warnings, and they also seem to be south of you. So right now, just general moderate heavy rain and scattered thunderstorms right now through those three counties. But again, you are going to be under the watch there for a little while yet this morning.
Roger that. Thanks for the report, KC0AIP.
Okay, very good. And if you have anything that you notice or observe and you'd like to report, please let us know. We appreciate you. I'll be clear with you, KC0AIP, and this is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Stand by. I have another update here. And the National Weather Service in Springfield has canceled the tornado warning for Ozark County. However, this same warning is going to be continuing until 2:30 for eastern Douglas and northwestern Howell counties, as well as south central Texas counties. At 2:21 a.m., a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage was located 10 miles southwest of Kabul or 11 miles southeast of Mountain Grove, and this has moved northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado, radar-indicated rotation is the source, and flying debris is the main impacts. Those caught outside will be in danger because of that. Locations impacted in this warning include Willow Springs, Van Zandt, and Drury. Once again, tornado warning continuing until 2:30 for eastern Douglas, northwestern Howell, and south central Texas counties. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ.
Alpha Delta Zero, Uniform Delta's in net control.
Alpha Delta Zero, Uniform Delta, this is KJ6TQ, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Go ahead.
Just FYI, all the Taney County spotters have gone QRT.
Okay, very good. And yeah, all of the warnings have passed us in Taney County here. I'm in Branson myself, so we're looking at probably another hour or so of moderate to possibly some heavy rain and some lightning and thunder, but the majority of the severe threat has shifted off to our east. So we're good to go, and thanks for letting me know about that.
Yeah, you're welcome. Checked all the way over to Forsyth, and just, you know, the usual natural debris on the highways, just just a bunch of leaves, some limbs, nothing to speak about. AD0UD.
Okay, sounds good. It seems like the majority of this was towards our far south end of the county. Looks like Ridgedale and that area got hit pretty hard from some of the reports I'm seeing. So, but glad everybody's safe, and looks like the majority of it missed us. So, alrighty, thank you for that update. And I'll be clear with AD0UD. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Stand by. I have an update. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning now for northwestern Shannon, northeastern Douglas, northwestern Howell, and southeastern Texas counties until 3 a.m. At 2:26 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 7 miles west of Willow Springs, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado source's radar-indicated rotation. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, and damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Willow Springs, Summersville, Clear Springs, Pine Spring, Kabul, Hart's Horn, Eunice. Take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building right now. Once again, tornado warning for northwestern Shannon, northeastern Douglas, northwestern Howell, and southeastern Texas counties until 3 a.m. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Please stand by. I have another new tornado warning. Okay, and to the station up asking about Pulaski and Laclede counties, please stand by. We do have a new tornado warning now in effect for your area. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Wright, southeastern Laclede, southeastern Pulaski, and northwestern Texas counties until 3 a.m. At 2:28 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 17 miles south of Fort Leonard Wood, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado, source's radar-indicated rotation. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, and damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fort Leonard Wood, Hazleton, Lynchburg, Plato, and Roby. Take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and avoid windows. Do not wait to see or hear this tornado as it's dark and it could be rain-wrapped. Once again, tornado warning now, northeastern Wright, southeastern Laclede, southeastern Pulaski, and northwestern Texas counties. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Looks like we have one more additional tornado warning. Please stand by. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Shannon, southeastern Douglas, northern Howell, and northwestern Oregon counties until 3 a.m. At 2:29 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 8 miles southwest of Willow Springs, moving east to 60 miles per hour. Hazards include a tornado, sources radar indicated. Impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Expect damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles, along with tree damage. Locations impacted include West Plains, Willow Springs, Pomona, Peace Valley, White Church, Mountain View, Birch Tree, Montier, Siloam Springs, and Teresita. Take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and avoid windows. If you're outside in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not wait to see or hear this tornado. Once again, tornado warning for southwestern Shannon, southeastern Douglas, northern Howell, and northwestern Oregon counties until 3 a.m. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ.
KC0AIP to deck control.
Yes, KC0AIP, this is KJ6TQ, Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. Did you be one of the previous announcements I just made? It looks like a couple of the counties you had asked about is now partially covered by a tornado warning. Over.
That's what I was going to inquire about. We have a tornado siren going off here in Pulaski County. I just wanted to know if that was
A real deal or a false alarm?
No, sir. This is the real deal. I strongly recommend that you take cover right now. Anybody that you know of in that area, take cover immediately. Do not wait to confirm sight of this tornado because it's dark and it could be rain wrapped. Over.
Roger, roger.
Okay, and if you're in shelter after it passes, if you do have anything to report, please let us know and we'll send anything that you report to us straight to the National Weather Service. But take cover right now. Don't worry about reports until later. Just your safety is most important at this time. This is KJ6TQ Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn standing by. Stations monitoring. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The tornado warning for northeastern Wright and southeastern Laclede counties is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning in those areas has moved out of that warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. Meanwhile, the tornado warning from the same section of the storm will remain in effect until 3 a.m. for southeastern Pulaski and northwestern Texas counties. At 2:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles south of Fort Leonard Wood, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fort Leonard Wood, Hazleton, and Roby. For West Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stations monitoring. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. National Weather Service has issued a new severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shannon, Dent County, north central Howell County, southeastern Pulaski, Texas County, and southern Phelps County until 3:45 a.m. At 2:38 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Fort Leonard Wood to near Houston to near Willow Springs, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Sources radar indicated. Impacts expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Fort Leonard Wood, Ozark National Scenic Riverways, Echo Bluff State Park, Montauk State Park, Licking, Houston, Summersville, Raymondville, Lenox, Jasmine, Howes Mill, Salem, Willow Springs, Eminence, Bunker, Edgar Springs, Montauk, Beulah, and Midridge. Meanwhile, a tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for south central and east central Missouri. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stations monitoring. This is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The tornado warning for northeastern Douglas County has been canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning for that area has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled for this specific location. Meanwhile, this same storm continues, prompting a tornado warning, which is in effect until 3 a.m. for northwestern Shannon, north central Howell, and southeastern Texas counties. At 2:42 a.m., a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage was located 7 miles northwest of Mountain View, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Willow Springs, Hartshorn, Errol, Eunice, Summersville, Clear Springs, and Pinecrest. Take cover now in those locations. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, take shelter now. Again, tornado warning continues until 3 a.m. for northwestern Shannon, north central Howell, and southeastern Texas counties. For Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn, this is KJ6TQ. Stations monitoring, this is KJ6TQ with Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn. The National Weather Service in Springfield has canceled The tornado watch for the remaining 5 counties, this cancels it for the entire Springfield, Missouri county warning area. At this time, there are no watches or warnings in effect for our entire county warning area. Taking a quick look at the radar, there is some moderate to heavy rain showers still in parts of our county warning area, southeastern Taney County, most of Ozark County, central through eastern Douglas County, most of Wright County also being covered by some rain, and Phelps and Marys County getting some pretty good downpours right now. A lot of lightning strikes, a lot of positive strikes. Very dangerous. Remember, lightning can still strike up to 30 minutes after you've last heard thunder. So lightning right now is going to be the main danger with some also minor flooding. But as the severe threat has exited to our east, I'm going to go ahead and secure the net at this time. I want to thank each and every station who helped with the severe weather coverage tonight, along with the other SkyWarn net control operators. Thanks everybody for your help, and of course, thanks to the folks at the Springfield National Weather Service for all they do. At this time, this is KJ6TQ, now clear, returning the Southwest Missouri Regional SkyWarn repeater network to normal use. Good night.